This is Noor Al Huda, and you are listening to my review of The Food Forward Garden, a complete guide to designing and growing edible landscapes, written by Christian Douglas and published by Artisan in October 2024. And look at page 198. This beats any rose flower show any day of the week. Cornucopia Bouquet, where he suggests sharing a harvest basket of homegrown produce with neighbors and friends. I'll tell you one thing. I tried giving lemons and oranges and spinach and fenugreek when it was harvested to neighbors and friends and for housewarming parties. It seems like giving someone a potted plant of curry tree or the mango tree sapling of my grandmom's 100-year-old tree is something that makes people look at me with a quizzical expression. I don't know. I guess the culture is too materialistic for us to appreciate the simple things in life. Or maybe I should just get people a dinner plate set and get it over with.